Hello everybody, my name is Daryl and I love to shop, and I've been making these videos about my trips to the Goodwill outlet bins, and this particular trip I spent $42 and my comps came to about $2,500, give or take. I just only do estimates, they're comparables, right? So let's just get started on what I got. I didn't get a whole ton of stuff, but what I got was very good. So let's start with what I'm wearing. This is a Lululemon tee, and I'm sure it was meant for a much smaller person because I own this t-shirt in the real size, I think. But I think it's cute as a little shrunken tee. And these are Lululemon pants that I did get on another trip, I must confess, but I don't have a lot of pants to show you this time. And then I can't really show you there we go. Get my shoes up there. These are Allbirds, and this awesome color I'm very happy with. And this pair that I got actually has its matching shoelaces, which I discovered from another trip that this color is, I think it's called Diablo. These shoelaces are impossible to find unless you can go to the brick and mortar store that's in New York. So along with the Allbirds, and the Allbirds run between $128 and $138. These are, and the men's are interchangeable with the women's. They just have men's sizing and women's sizing. These are a size 10 for men's. So these go to my husband. He needed some navy blue ones. And these are the tree huggers. So, and quite in very good shape, these ones are. And I got some other shoes, but I think I'll show them to you with some outfits. So let's move on. Now, I'm not too sure about this overall look, but I want to show you these pieces, okay? I love this top. This is from Tracy, and it's 100% cashmere. And it is meant to be worn off the shoulder like this, which I just think is awesome. And what I like is that it is not super tight through the body. So it's just kind of a nice, easy fit. Just gorgeous, right? And I've paired them up with these shoes. These are from Spiga. And I don't know that you can see them, but I'll show you a close-up. So I might be channeling a 1990s Peg Bundy look. But these are so pretty. And I know that they're, saying that, oh, these spike heels are not in fashion. But you know what? I will always like them, as long as I don't have to wear them for very long. These are called the Mysterio multi-slides, and they retailed for $215. And I got two of them. While we're in shoe mode, I can't remember if I showed you these or not. I don't think I did. And these are, these are Doc Martens. There's the Bianca Chelsea boot. And what is different about these is that they have this more pointy toe here. And I just love these. I just think they're just sweet. I think originally they may have had a patent leather finish, but I'm not all that sure right now. But as you can see, they're in pretty decent shape. So I'm going to sell these on my in my eBay store, and so check out the description at the end of the video, and it will have my my eBay store link for you, or my name for my store. So I thought I'd skip ahead and show you this nice workwear look. This is kind of a slightly dressier look. The shirt is from J. Crew, and it's just this classic front bow tie. And these pants are, I think they're an older cut. They're from Classiques Entier, and they're a drapey fabrication with a side zipper, straight leg. And I've got them paired up with these awesome shoes that go nicely with this Dennis Basso coat. Now this is Dennis by Dennis Basso, which I am not sure if this is his mainline brand or if this is his QVC brand, but I don't care really because I just like it. Isn't that nice? And these shoes are from Michael Kors. They are brand new. And I have made a repair to the heel here. And that is the only thing that was wrong with them. And they're my size. Just an all-time, essentially, stylish shoe for all seasons. It's the Dorothy Flex Pump. So it's for people really that need to wear heels all day long. And the rest of this outfit's pretty comfy too, so you could wear the whole thing all day. You know, pop a blazer over the top of it, and you're good to go. Okay, so I did not know about this brand of pants, and they kind of ended up in my cart. I think someone gave them to me, but I was not familiar with them. I happen to really like them now. They are from a brand called Cookies, and they do sweats, right? And these are the camp or camo battalion sweat. Aren't they fun? And they're just a nice heavy sweatshirt material. They run $98 if you want to buy them new. And I paired them up with this. This is just the H&M sweater that they do every year, and it comes in all kinds of colors. Well, I didn't have a dark green one, so these are so cozy. They don't cost a lot of money, and they wear well, they launder well. And they look good with, you know, half tuck. Yeah, it's because they're really a pretty generous cut, the sweaters are. So that is this super cute get up. And dang me, I should have paired this hat up with these pants, don't you think? I'm gonna have to remind myself who the hat's from. J. Crew. And you can wear it the way I had it, or you can cuff it up and wear it more like a beanie. Now, I wasn't really sure about this dress, but when I got it home and tried it on, I was pretty happy with it. I'm kind of leery, you know, about some of these all elasticized dresses and anything that's really too bodycon, just because I'm not the curviest person around, and sometimes they just make me look like but I thought this one was pretty cute. This is from H&M. And see, cute. It's got these ruffles here, and kind of like it. It'll be cute in the summertime. I adore this dress. You know, like a lot of the big brands that usually make the $300 and $400 dresses, Haute hippie has gone into the mass marketing thing, and this is from Haute hippie Tribe, which I believe was sold on QVC or someplace like that. It might be an Amazon brand. Anyway, this has about a $100 price point, and I just think it's really super cute. It's done a little bit nicer than some of them out there. So it's got all of these flounces and things going on. Woo! Isn't that pretty? And I'll show you with these cute shoes. These are from Franco Sarto, and they are vegan leather. And if I could get my foot up there without looking ridiculous, I would. But I think it would look ridiculous. So this was probably the best thing that I got out of this trip. And this is about a $600 dress. It's from a brand called MSGM. It's made in Italy. And it has these, I don't know, wings. I don't know if these are, you know, supposed to go. I don't know really where they're supposed to go. You know, hard to say. And I couldn't find the dress anywhere. Maybe it goes like that. Anyway, it's a asymmetrical, swingy dress with a beautiful tie in the back. Hope you can see that there. It's just beautiful. And I'm going to pair it up with this BCBG, what do you call this stuff? Well, anyway, this sparkly handbag from BCBG, and this other Dennis Basso coat, which evidently this is a vintage brand, but I think it's absolutely wearable now, as is. So, here we are, going out. Isn't that sweet? Now, I could wear these via spiga heels with it. Let's take a look at that and see what that looks like. So just a couple more things and then we are done with this, my friends. I love these sparkly sandals. They are a vacation go-to for me. So this is the last piece of clothing that I got, and this is from Allsaints, and it's 100% silk. And I did y'all a favor and ironed it. It's a nice long tunic length here, and you could easily do a half tuck with it. And I've paired it up with one of my Doc Marten boots that I got. I think I got these the trip before this, and they are a size too big for me. So again, I will list these also on my eBay channel. And this is the last thing, just for kicks. Doesn't everybody need a pillow with llamas on it? So that's it. On that note, I'm going to do one more video today, and say hello to me in the comments. And you know what, you guys, I only need 697 subscribers now.